This is the Wingamm Oasi 610. You are looking at a garage that is big enough to fit a Vespa, e-bikes.
For a 20-foot small compact motorhome like this is extremely impressive.
So these are made in Italy and then shipped to the US. So everything can be locked and unlocked with your key. Rounded, like you're inside of a yacht. That easily, pull it down. These are not only water resistant, but they're actually fingerprint resistant.
I don't think this has ever been done in a motorhome. It is absolutely amazing. So we are at the 2026 Florida RV Super Show, and today we are taking a look at a motorhome that's definitely one of the smallest because it comes in right at 20 feet and it basically fits in a parking spot. And I'm here with Tony from Wingamm. How you doing, man?
McKinley, so nice to meet you.
Nice
Thank
to
you
meet
for
you too.
visiting Wingamm's exhibit.
Absolutely. So what do you have here? I know this is new for America.
That is correct. So Wingamm is an Italian manufacturer of the most compact, luxurious, and technologically advanced motorhomes, in our opinion, in the world.
Okay.
And what we have behind us is our new model that we just released this year. This is the first week it's been displayed for the US market. And this is the Wingamm Oasi 610.
Now, this is very exciting because we haven't really seen a Italian design like this in America. And
That
it's
is
really
right.
cool. It's definitely a lot different than most of the RVs that we see here at this show.
Absolutely. And like you said, Italian made. So these are made in Italy and then shipped to the US.
But it's got a Ram chassis. How does that work?
That's right. So we start with a Ram chassis that is made in the US. We ship it to Italy. Italy constructs the motorhome and then ships it back to the US.
Wow, very exciting.
Okay, so behind us is the Wingamm Oasi 610's profile. And the reason why we're here is we get to point out what is most unique about Wingamm's construction, which is its custom fiberglass monocoque shell. So all the motorhomes, all the Class B motorhomes that you're gonna see here in Tampa are all made out of cargo vans. They're made out of Ram ProMasters, Mercedes Sprinters, Ford Transits. What Wingamm does differently that's so special is we start with a chassis cab. The chassis cab is this, and then the axle that goes along here. And then we attach to the chassis cab Wingamm's custom fiberglass monocoque shell, which is all this. And so what's so special about that is you'll notice how the sides fan out and the top fans out. This innovation allows Wingamm to completely reimagine the floor plan.
What I really love about this whole design is that it comes right over the top as if it's a seamless front cap.
It is
Prevents
seamless.
a lot of leaks.
It is seamless.
Now, what is the outside like? Is it painted? Are these decals?
These are decals, and one of the important things to mention about fiberglass is it does not conduct heat. And how the sun is baking on us right now, put your hand here. Is that hot?
No,
It's
not at
not
all.
hot. Now, if we put your hand on the side of a cargo van, like every Class B motorhome here at the Florida RV Super Show, if it was baking in the sun, would it be hot?
Yes,
It would be hot.
This isn't though. This
That's
is
right.
amazing. Wow.
That's right. And so the custom fiberglass shell does not conduct heat. So therefore, our living module doesn't turn into an oven on a hot day,
Right.
which means you use a lot less power to keep yourself cool. Okay, so McKinley, let's take a look at what I think your viewers are gonna find extremely exciting.
Myself, I'm amazed right now.
Thank you so much. So just to reiterate, this is a 20-foot footprint. And in a 20-foot footprint, Class B, you are looking at a garage that is big enough to fit a Vespa, e-bikes, whatever it is that you want to take with you, it's probably big enough to fit, or certainly bigger than any other Class B motorhome in America.
I absolutely love that, especially if this is small enough to pretty much fit in a parking space. You don't want those bikes sticking off the back. So the fact that you can just put them right here,
That's
and
right.
this turns into additional sleeping space.
Let's continue over to the rear. So where every other Class B motorhome in America has a bumper, we offer storage. So here is storage to either fit an extra sewage cassette. This is for your gray hose, or pick this up, put your suitcases in the back.
And this actually looks like it's lined with a material that looks very durable and is easy to clean.
It is easy to clean, it is very durable. It is the same fiberglass that we use to construct the monocoque shell.
Very nice. And this garage actually makes this 20-foot motorhome be able to sleep 4. Is that correct?
That's right. 1,
Crazy.
2, and then I'll show you in a second, the drop-down bed above you that sleeps 2.
You're gonna have to wait for that. Now, there is one question that I have about some of the products
Yes.
used on this RV,
Yes,
like the awning.
Okay.
Is it an Italian product, and what is the customer service like if something like that were to break? You know, with this RV now being in America.
Great questions. So, while these are constructed in Italy, in Wingham's factory in Verona, all of the components is all US.
Perfect.
Yeah. And so as far as service is concerned, we have 10 Wingamm authorized service centers, and we are trying to do a better service model than what sort of the legacy RV industry is doing in America. We took a close look at it and we saw a lot of pain points. And the way that we're solving this problem is instead of having service centers just attached, solely attached to dealerships, because we felt that dealerships sort of looked at service as like, you know, their second priority to sales, we partner with independent brick and mortar service centers where their entire life is just providing incredible service. And right now we have 10 Wingamm authorized service centers from California all the way to Florida, and we plan to add a lot more.
The RV hookups, they're probably different in Italy, maybe with the power and stuff like that, but this is now an American motorhome.
That's right.
So what is it like, and is it similar to every motorhome here at the show?
Not quite, not quite.
Okay.
So while the sewage cassette system is not uncommon in America, the way that Wingamm constructs their sewage cassette, in our opinion, is unique because it is elegantly constructed inside the one-piece monocoque shell. As such, reach in and pull it out like that.
Wow, very simple.
So the next compartment is either for propane, if you want to go with gas. Wingamm also offers a propane delete, in which case it just becomes storage.
Okay.
And you'll notice one unique thing is how this opens and closes with the touch of this button.
Very, very, very sleek design.
And this is an example of Wingamm's central locking system.
Wow.
So everything can be locked and unlocked with your key.
That's very convenient. You don't have to remember whether or not you locked this baggage door and that one.
That's right. With Wingamm, the days of the key ring with a bunch of keys are over. It's just one key.
Amazing. All right, you got these really nice windows, but I can see quite a view inside, so let's head in and check it out.
Let's do it.
So the outside is definitely really impressive, but I hear you have something to show me inside.
I do. I'm excited to show it to you. Let's jump in.
Let's go. All right, that is a really nice looking door, but
thank you.
What is this right here?
This is your trash can.
Okay, very neatly placed. It's definitely hard to find a good spot for a trash can, especially in a smaller motorhome, so it's really neat that you're maximizing every bit of space.
Thank you. And what you'll notice that's so different with our Class B versus everyone else's Class B is I'm sure everybody watching at home knows that when you get into every other one's Class B, it's that clunky sliding utility door that you slide open to get inside. But with Wingamm, because of our one-piece custom fiberglass monocoque shell construction, it is this elegant front door that feels like a home when you go inside. So our entire motorhome is powered by a Victron system and operated by a Firefly system. So you guys have seen the garage. Now let me show you how the garage converts to 2 bunk beds.
And this garage actually makes this 20-foot motorhome be able to sleep 4. Is that correct?
That's right. 1,
Crazy.
2, and then I'll show you in a second the drop-down bed above you that sleeps 2.
You're gonna have to wait for that, but let's start in the back.
Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, Wingamms are constructed in Italy in their factory in Verona. All of the cabinetry is constructed there. As you can see, it's all rounded like you're inside of a yacht, and it's quite spacious.
Definitely a lot of space in this RV, and I do like that you added a rod, like a hanging rod, so that you can throw hangers on and stuff like that, which is really great because you can really maximize all this amount of storage space.
That's right, thank you.
And then you've got more storage down here, which is really nice. Lots of different sizes. And something that's really cool is these handles. They kind of open to the side and then it opens. Same with these drawer handles. They're really nice how they just pop in place. You can see the latch engages. It really maximizes also on the space inside, so you don't have a big handle sticking out. And these are also soft close drawers.
I was very excited to show everybody the two innovations that really stand out with the Wingamm Oasi 610 that you will not find in any other 20-foot Class B motorhome in America. The first was the garage, and the second is the dry bath. Take a look.
So now in the bathroom, I always give you guys a great shower test, and me being 6'1", for a 20-foot small compact motorhome like this, I mean, this is extremely impressive. Great job, Wingamm.
So McKinley was just standing in the shower, which is all part of the bathroom because you have a dry bath in the Wingamm Oasi 610. So here's the vanity area. You have your vessel sink. You have a storage cabinet down here with a teepee holder. So here's the toilet for the cassette system.
And that is what we saw earlier on the outside. So that's really nice that you could just pull it out, but this is still a dry bath. So
that's right.
That's a huge feature.
That's right.
And then you got more storage space up here. Very nice. I love these little pieces that will hold all of your stuff in the cabinet. Yeah. And what is this material that design? This is really cool, and this sleek lighting is definitely really nice.
Thank you very much. You'll notice also two, the coat hangers here, robe hangers, towel hangers.
And then a really nice skylight, yep. And you've got the screen for when you have it open.
Yep, bugs
and
and privacy.
A blackout.
Yep.
Very nice. Everything is very luxury.
Yes, well thought out.
It's definitely like a yacht, like you said.
That's right, thank you.
Now stepping into the living space, there's definitely a lot in this space, but it's all very functional. What is the best thing in this whole entire space?
I would say it is the dining room.
All right.
I have to keep saying it because I think that it's really so special that you're in a 20-foot motorhome. You have a garage, a dry bath, and a dining area that seats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 comfortably.
This huge L-shaped sofa dinette, and then what's really nice is that your two seats swivel,
yep.
So they flip around to the sitting area. But what's really cool is that you guys didn't leave the original seats. You matched them to the dinette.
Thank you for noticing that. All of Wingam's fabrics are sourced from Rubelli Textile. Rubelli is a high-end textile manufacturer in Italy. So everybody saw the two beds in the back.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm going to show you something very special, which is right above your head.
Because this RV sleeps 4.
Because this RV does sleep 4.
All right, let's check it out.
So what everyone's looking at behind and above me is Wingam's patented drop-down bed. That easily, pull it down, sleep 2 comfortably, 2 skylights to look at the stars while you're sleeping.
I don't think this has ever been done in a motorhome. It is absolutely amazing.
Thank you, and it actually has not. This is Wingam's patented drop-down bed, so.
Well, you guys did a great job designing something that's functional and doesn't take up space when it's not needed. Excellent job.
Yes.
Let's check it out. All right, so it's actually quite spacious, and I am 6'2", 6'1"-ish, and I can sit with my head not touching the ceiling, which is really nice because, you know, a lot of toy haulers and stuff like that, when there is a loft space, you're scrunched up. The fact that they were able to accomplish this in a motorhome this size is just absolutely amazing.
And putting up the drop-down bed, McKinley, as easy as that.
Wow, super simple. All right, this is really nice, but you gotta have a place to cook.
So this is Wingam's kitchen block. The cooktops can either come in induction or gas. Like we mentioned, you can do an entire propane delete where everything's electric.
And so this is what you get if you were to do something like that.
That's right. And then the sink is this really beautiful undermount sink.
It's very seamless with the countertops. And this feels like definitely a solid material.
This is corium.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. And your countertops, are they water resistant? Are they, because they do look like they have some edges, but.
These are not only water resistant, but they're actually fingerprint resistant. There's a technology in our laminates that prevent fingerprints, and we'll talk about that when we go outside.
Perfect. Now something that's really great about this kitchen is there's no limit when it comes to storage. There is tons of space. You got these pull-out drawers, and again, all soft close. Then this large cabinet that opens up.
The refrigerator's Indel B.
Very nice. What I really love about this fridge is that it's very modern. It definitely matches the luxury feel and design that this motorhome offers.
Thank you, McKinley. That is Wingham's mission, to make the most compact, luxurious, and technologically advanced motorhomes in the world.
Well, you guys are doing an amazing job at it, and amazing.
Thank you.
I love this motorhome.
Thank you. But I got more for you.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
All right, come with me.
All right, let's head out.
I am thrilled to introduce everybody to Lance Linscott, who is Wingham's franchise dealer in Salt Lake City, Utah, and also Wingham's product specialist, to walk you through and your viewers something very special that we put together.
I'm excited to see it. Nice to meet you, Lance.
Yes, nice to meet you.
So what do you have here?
So I have an us versus everybody else in terms of monocoque, all the way down to hinges, build quality of the cabinets and laminates. So I'll walk you through this. Okay, so the monocoque shell, what makes it unique is its thermodynamics and its insulating factor to temperature. Your 1-inch closed cell polyurethane foam, your typical cargo van, and you will have no air gaps within the insulation, which is where a lot of the heat and cool gets trapped in and then of course transmitted inside the cabin.
Right, there's in a cargo van, a standard Class B van, there's a lot of those pockets where they can't just stuff insulation, or they don't.
They don't
even
put
if they
the
can.
insulation, right. And so in 100% of the monocoque shell, you're utilizing insulation, whether it's on rounded edges, of course the flat panels, and it's a sandwich. So again, no air gaps between the inner and the outer monocoque shell.
Amazing, absolutely amazing. All right, let's go ahead and check this stuff out.
Hinges, so we have a patented third hinge that is concealed within the door. You don't see any of the hinge. Your typical Elkhart hinge here, exposed, rust, flimsy, lots of tolerance on the hinges. Your typical RV cabinetry, stapled together, rudimentary butt joints.
A lot of glues too.
A lot of glues in there. You know, chipboard, get a little water on them. It's now twice as big. You've got Wingamm cabinetry here. No butt joints. If it comes together at a corner, it's aluminum extrusion. Your rounded edges to eliminate as many joints as possible.
And I love how those edges are screwed together. Very nice.
Yes, screwed and glued, both. Some additional cabinetry here. The rounded cabinetry is unique
Definitely.
to the Wingamm.
Very luxury.
Very luxury. The laminates, okay, so your typical laminate in an RV, some paper, like a sushi roll. Very firm, thick.
Yes.
Up to
and hardly bend it.
Hardly bend it.
Very nice.
0.7 millimeters.
Very nice. Lots of great construction quality in this RV. Yeah, I appreciate you taking the time to show this to me.
Of course.
Nice meeting you.
McKinley, I want to thank you so much for coming to Wingamm USA's exhibit at the 2026 Florida RV Super Show.
Well,
and thank you to all your viewers who are watching at home. We appreciate it.
I appreciate you taking the time to let me tour this RV and share what Wingamm is all about.
What makes Wingamm so different and special.
Yes.
Thank you again. So I want to mention to all your viewers at home who are watching, if you guys think that Wingamm is a game-changing product like we do, then check out our crowdfunding campaign on startengine.com.
Thank you for the tour, and you have an amazing product.
Thank you so much. My pleasure. Thanks for coming by.
All right. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. If you want to see more videos like this, we've got so much coming from the 2026 Florida RV Super Show. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until next time, we'll see you on the road.